following. And this year, our parents have decided to have a special event by honoring all of the Babas of our children, and they're all Serbian children, and any other children. Of course, everybody gets a lot of inspiration from their grandmothers, and we feel that all of the support that our grandmothers give us, they deserve the honor that we hope to show them this evening. Father Millen is very sick this evening, and normally we open with a prayer. At this time, we'd like to ask the children of the junior dance group to please stand and lead us in Oče Naš. Express a few words of greeting to us.
Saborne crkve Svetog Save, želim prvo da se zahvalim upravi mlađe junior folklorne grupe koji su se potrudili da ovu večerašnju zabavu ovako lijepo organizuju. Želim, braće i sestre, i vama svima da se zahvalim koji ste došli večeras, da zajedno sa našom djecom provedemo ovu zabavu koja se priređuje u njihovu korist. Mi smo dužni da svaki poduhvat koji se tiče naše djece, naše omladine, pomognemo svaki u svojoj moći. Braće i sestre, mi proširujemo naš srpski dom, ulepšavamo našu sabornu crkvu sa mozaikom, što je svakako na svom mjestu. Ali ja smatram da bi mnogo više trebali da obratimo pažnju našoj djeci, našoj omladini, koji su prirodno naši naslednici. Da bi ovo postigli, braćo i sestre, neophodno je potrebno da roditelji dovode svoju djecu u našu školu, a prvenstveno u našu crkvu. Svima nama je poznato da osnovno vaspitanje djeteta potiče i izvolje roditeljske kuće, a prolaskom kroz škole i život usavršuje se na temelju odgoja roditeljskoga u svojim mladim dečjim godinama. Braća i sestre, ni svešteni, ni uprava, ni niko drugi ne mogu mnogo pomoći ako roditelji ne dovede svoju djecu na vrijeme i redovno u crkvu i školu. Djecu, da bi postali korisni sebi, roditeljima, svojoj crkvi i svojoj naciji, neophodan je potreban roditeljski odgoj i vaspitanje u njihovim mladim godinama, a najviše do 15 godina. Zato, braćo i sestre, gledajmo da učinimo što se tiče naše zajednice, da što više brige i truda obratimo, bar jer i proširenje doma i ulepšavanje naše saborne crkve neće pomoći ako omladina izgubi pravi put i pokrene ka materijalnom, a ne duhovnom. Naš zajednički uspeh, braćo i sestre, bit će onda ako uspemo da očuvamo našu djecu da idu pravim putem, hrišćanskim putem. Ponovo apelujem, braćo i sestre, na vas sve, a naročito roditelje da se što više zajednički potrudimo zajedno sa našim sveštenikom da povećamo posvetu naše dece, našoj zagodnoj crkvi i školi. U to ime neka bude sve u dobri čas. Hvala mnogo i živali.
Milanka Silić and Noah Momstead.
Vi ste došli, mili gosti, čujete šta mi znamo, od srca se radimo i lepo vas pozdravimo. Kad ste rado k nama pošli, kličemo vam dobrodošli.
We would like to welcome all our dear Bacas and Dedas, parents, community, and friends to an evening of song, dance, and fun. The surprises will be many and we hope will be enjoyed by all. sretnu ulogu je ljube, a ona se smeše i hvala ti golube.
Pa se onda smesti ispod brzne zove, pa poteku priče sve nove i nove.
Zamirješe zoru od sunčeva zraka, uživaju deca, uživaju baka.
I'd like you to really be aware that the song was planned and conceived and directed by Radhamalic. The poem Staravaka, we have Sasha Novakovic, Damian Ninkovic, Mata Grbic, Diane Ninkovic, and Tanya Achamovich. Some of you may have heard that the proceeds from this evening's program, and if you have not heard, we'd like you to know that all proceeds from the evening's program will be designated to build a recreational facility on our church grounds here for the children. The parents of the junior dancers have seen a need for a recreation facility, perhaps like a playground with swings and slides. This is in the planning stages, and hopefully construction will begin by spring. The junior dancers will not profit by this evening. We have a few things different, a few items to sell, the bakery and bar. All proceeds will go toward this playground fund. We feel that it is for the future of these children and their children and all children, and we'd kind of like to help build something here too, just as our parents and grandparents built the cultural center and the church. So, if the junior dancers are ready, we'd like to present them at this time. I would like to just check to see if they're ready. If you'll excuse me a minute. They're ready and they're quiet. Let's go. Congratulations, you did a great job. Audience, thank you. We can't forget them. They stole the show. This dance group, the children have to be 6 years old, and they have to have old-pumping, and they have to have a smile, and they have to behave, right, kids? Not on Tuesday. When they turn 13, they advance from the junior dance group into Shumadia. And then we really miss them. They've been in the group how many years? 7 years, 7 folk fair pins. And it's kind of sad to see them go. This year we will have 4 graduates. This evening I'd like to acknowledge our 4 graduates. I feel that for a child to stay in the junior dancers for 7 years is a great accomplishment. I feel that by the time they're 12 or almost 13 years old, they've just about had it. Some of them don't make it to 13 with us because they have different interests and because they're growing to be young adults. But I do really honor and respect the children who do stay because we do always need the older dancers, experienced dancers, to help make us look good. Well, not that the little ones look good, but I'm going to start a new tradition this year, and every year when we have graduating dancers, I would like to give them something that I know they really always wanted. I know that, would you 4 girls please come forward? Oliveta Bronkov, Dalia Remia, Sasha Novakovic, and Maya Gurbich. These will be our graduating new Shumadia members this year. Now, I know what you've always wanted. You wanted a copy of Lumskull. I have made you a 90-minute cassette tape of the favorite junior dancer, Kolos. You're not excited? It took so long. Well, I have my favorite songs on the tape, some of my songs, some of your favorite songs, some songs you think are really boring, but I hope you enjoy it, take it to college, when you get married, play for your children, grow up and be a dance director, and you got the music. You're all set. Good luck. Also this year, it's also going to be a sad time for us because we will have 2 children, you will go back, thanks, who will be moving away. It's going to be very sad, but I know it has to be done. So Alexandra and Zorica Stanchevich, please come out here. It's your last program. I know you won't make it to 13, but I know if you were here, you would. Alexandra and Zorica are moving to Minneapolis, and they're going to start their own folk dancing club up there. I also have made you kids a tape, so you take that with you and remember us. And the parents have said that you're honorary members, so as long as you want, whenever you're in Milwaukee, you can come to practices. You don't have to pay dues. You can come and dance with us. Just bring your costumes along, okay? Okay? I know you.
Jody wasn't aware that I was going to come out at this point. As president of the St. Saba Junior Dancers, I feel we have a group here to really be proud of. I'd like to extend that to include all our children, from the youngest in the church school to the oldest in our Shumadia group. Most of the friendships that the children form here last a lifetime, and the feeling of belonging to this extended family is something few others have. There's a number of special people who have given of themselves to make our center a home away from home. Tonight, we would like to thank one of those people, our director, Dodi Lalich, for 12 years of patience, dedication, persistence, and most of all, love of our children and our Serbian culture. On behalf of the board, the parents, and all the children of the St. Saba Junior Dance Group, we've got a little gift for you. chalupa on it, and we hope that she really enjoys it, and it came from our hearts.
It's overwhelming, it's beautiful. I find that my pleasure comes on Tuesdays being with you kids, and the gifts are great, and all of you are great, and just keep coming on Tuesdays, keep coming to programs. It all means a lot to me and to your parents and your grandparents and to all the serving people here in our community. Thank you very much for the gifts, and thank you parents, and you did a great job tonight. I'm really proud of you. You can go back to whatever part you have next. It's coming. Do I look like I won the Miss America pageant? Hey, Mom. I have to, just as an afterthought, I have to thank my parents, Bubba Margie and Grandpa Pete Reedy. They've always been a big support, just as all parents are to their children. And they're always there to encourage and give suggestions and lend me money. Now that you've seen the junior dancers, we'd like to follow with Shumadia folklore dancers. This is what they look like when they get a little older, a little slicker and a little cooler. Tonight, Shumadia is under the direction of Dragan Lazic. His assistant is his Tetka Jelica, and they will begin with a medley of dances for us. theme, we have another poem, again, directed by Rhonda Malich and Anka Gerbich. The presentation will be by Olivera Brampa, Dali Eremia, and Snezhana Babic.
Dete i baka, bako staro bako, babuščice mile, ja se li ti kad god mala mlada bila, ja se mogla kad god ispraviti leđa, je li tvoja kosa bila kad god smeđa, je li tvoja halja bila kad god kratka? Je li tebe kogod zvao, dušo moja slatka? Je li tebi kogod kad god vaku lutku dao? Valjda se skrvala, pa ti je sad žao, ta zar mora bako ostariti svako? Hoću li ja bako ostariti tako? Moram li zar i ja biti tako seda, tako smrzirana, zburena i bleda? Pa zar tome nema baš nikakva leka, zar se to ne može živjeti do veka?
This is really Bubba's rocking chair. I know it's getting kind of mushy, but we have to continue. Part of the success of the junior dancers, I'd say 99% of the success, is the parents' organization behind the children. And the junior dancers have been very fortunate in having outstanding leadership. This evening, we'd like to make a special mention of our past presidents. Everyone, of course, knows the responsibility that goes along with the job. And in the past, I'd say since about 1980, 81, we've had some very dedicated leaders. At this time, I'd like pleased to call on stage Dada Radovanchevich and Marianne Stahowiak. When I first took over the junior dancers 11 years ago, the school board gave me a gift, and it's been a cherished gift ever since. So this year, the parents decided that they would like to present you and Marianne with a gold opange. Naya Chinwala. I think they're at a loss for words. This is a gold opange stick pin. It's kind of always a symbol of the Serbian dancers. And we hope that you remember the good days that you had with us. I believe now we will continue with a skit.
Clarissa, you're next. She likes other people's toys and drawings. Dan?
A grandma is a real grandpa.
Eli?
Grandmas don't have anything to do with feeling.
Alexandra?
They are old so they can't run. It is enough if they travel to the market with 10 horses. They have lots of dogs.
Sonita?
They take you for a walk. They stop to look at pretty things like leaves and caterpillars.
Diana?
They never say no.
Go ahead.
Usually they are fat but not too fat to tie your shoes.
Jonah?
Grandmas wear glasses and funny underwear and they can take their teeth out.
Nicole?
It is better if they don't typewrite or play cards and stuff with us.
Yelena?
They do not talk baby talk like some visitors.
Kendall?
When they read to us, they don't skip or mind if it's the same story again.
And Denny?
Everybody should try to have a grandmother, because grandmother is the only grown-ups that can have lots of time.
I'd like to ask Jonah. Jonah, who wrote that for you? Did you make that up? We'll continue with Shimani again. Dragan Mazic and Jelica. Ronkovich has been giving accordion lessons to 7 children. This evening we have part of the class to give you a sample of what they've been learning. This is just a sample. This is just a sampling of what the accordion class has been learning. As most of the country knows, Milwaukee especially is known for their dancing. In this community, we love to dance, and it's imperative that we have accordion players. So this evening, we'd like to present to you part of the St. Saba accordion class, directed by Lucia Ronkovich, taught by Lucia tonight. They are directing themselves, and we'd like to call them out at this time. I'd like to introduce to you Rudy Momich, Dalia Emia, Michael Malich, and Mihailo Malich. I'm sorry, that's Rudy Vukovic. so many more tunes that we're not quite prepared to play them. I'd like to just take a moment out to acknowledge a few helpful hands. I'd like to thank Joe Richards for coming with his equipment this evening and setting up our sound for us. Joe, thank you very much. I don't know if you've ever had anything to do with the stage or coming on the stage, but nobody can figure out how to turn the lights on. So for every program, it's kind of important that we have somebody who does a good job with the lights. This evening we have Paul Milkovich turning us on and off. Thank you, Paul. As everybody came into the center this evening, I'm sure they were overwhelmed by the beautiful decorations. In charge of the decorating committee was Marilyn Burzich, and we'd like to thank Marilyn and her great idea. Our kitchen chairwoman is Dushanka Jukic, and we thank Dushanka and the ladies for their delicious food. Ticket chairman was Nada Devicic. Bar chairman Bob Dishkovich. And of course, the play, song, and poems were directed by Rhonda Malich and Andra Gurvich. I'd also like to thank our board of directors, and I will repeat again, our president this year is Andra Gurvich, our vice president is Sally Novakovich, secretary Dushanka Jukic, treasurer Marilyn Burzich, and membership secretary Nada Devicic. Thank you, ladies, all of you. We had a touch of class tonight, a little bit of grit. Our escort and gentleman at the door was Don Novakovich, and thank Dr. Don for his presence and his outstanding good looks. Last on the program is a play again, Nova Baba. Isla Chorba.
Kako bi dobro bilo da čuvaju finu tortu što bi se činilo. Ovo Bosnija ima jednu veliki šerpu, napunila je sa vodom i stavila na športne sedije. U šerpu je stavila veliko loše. Jednu šerpu i smira. Malo šargrete. U to vreme Baba Manja je prosla pored Babu Bosnu kuću i osjetila lijepi miris. Baba Manja je zakucala na vrata da vidi šta je i neka malo vrši. Baba Bos je bilo Babu Manju, dobro otvorio vrata i rado pozvaje komšinicu da uđe. Baba Marija je odmah otišla da proba čorbu i reče da treba dodati malo soli i bibara. Posljedno vreme Baba Soka Srbačna sa Siciliona isto je osjetio lijepi miris kad je prozvala Babu Bosnu kuću. Baba Marija je privezla Babu Soku kroz prozor i odmah je pod drugu kuću.
kako baba Bosa tvoj čovjek za ručak. Jako bi htjela i ona bi mogla da ostane na ručku. U tome baba Bosa je privukla još jednu stolicu, a baba Zolka je prišla s porukom da i ona proba čovjek. Baba Marija i baba Sonka pile kafu. Neko je opal kucao na vrata. Baba Sonka ispričaju kako baba Bosa kuva čovjek i kako je njih pozvala da ostanu za ručak. Onda oni pozvali babu Bilku da ostanu za nju na pitoš. A baba Bilka je otišla da proba čovjek.
Treba krompira, 3000 čorba.
Onda je baba Milka sela da čeka ručak. Baba Bosa je postavila astal i ispjela crno hleba. Čorba je god.
Thank you very much. Good job. We're not serving the soup at the kitchen this evening, apparently. I'd like Manalo Burzich and Larissa Longstead to please come on the stage.
We hope you have enjoyed watching us as much as we have enjoyed performing for you. Thank you again, and we hope you enjoy the rest of the evening with us.